Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna make a huge oil stock research. After watching this video you will understand all information about oil and the oil stocks, and you will know exactly what stock you are going to buy and when you are going to buy them. And first we need to understand about production of oil, and we have data for November in 2019. Now it's March 28, 2020, and we can remember that in the other world we have around 102,000 barrels per day. Second, we have a little bit old information about consumption, and you can check it on that site, and I will leave all links in description below, and you can recheck it in 2021. And in this chart we can check that total consumption around 93, but the data is quite old, and I think we have consumption around 102. The next thing that you need to understand is what actually you can make from 1 barrel of oil. And you have to remember that we produce 100 million barrels per day. It is unbelievable. Okay, from 1 barrel you can make 170 birthday candles, 27 crayons, 1/4 of lubricants for motor oil, 4 pounds of charcoal. You can make gasoline to drive 280 miles, and you can make distillate fuel for trucks to drive 40 miles, 1 gallon of asphalt for roofs or streets, around 70 kilowatt hours of electricity, some amount of gases. And it is not that you are making 1/4 of oil from 1 barrel. You're making all of this from 1 barrel. In addition, you can make these things: toothbrushes, pocket combs, plastic, and some hula hoops. Actually, there are lots of things making from oil, and I think we couldn't pass oil even if everybody will drive Tesla. Okay, I have a really bad sample of that file, but here you can see a total cost with taxes and other expenses to get oil from the ground. And Saudi Arabia $9, Iran $9, Iraq $10.5, Russia $19, Indonesia $19, and United States and Norway $20 to $21. And we have some kind of information that this total cost are actually a little bit better now, and Indonesia, Russia, United States, and Norway are really close to $19. Total cost of oil is $19, and it is really heavy, and you need to transport it, and you can find that it costs around less than 3%, and we wouldn't talk about it because actually we have big tankers for oil, and transportation is not a problem. The next question is who win from the cheap prices, and we can see it from consumption chart, and it is United States and China. The next question is who started the oil war, and it is a public information. Actually, you can write to Google Rosneft oil supply India from Venezuela. And the first article from Reuters, and here written that United States President Donald Trump on Tuesday imposed sanctions on the trading arm of Russian oil major Rosneft, which has been the largest intermediary of Venezuela oil, as Washington targeted Moscow over its backing of Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro government. But the tasty thing of that article that United States know about that about 7 years. You can check that information, but I definitely know that everybody knows that Rosneft sell oil from Venezuela to India, and it is not like secret, but they publish that news on a coronavirus top thing, and it is really smart move because United States government told to Saudi Arabia that they need to crush oil prices because there are no consumption in coronavirus, and you just need to do this and sell your oil for like free for several months, and you can make lots of money because you will get a new way how you sell your oil, and actually it is some kind of push out of Russia from the market. And we're coming to the results, how to make money on this situation. Actually, you can find lots of stocks on Investing.com. It is ExxonMobil, Chevron, Royal Dutch, PetroChina, Total, and Rosneft. We have tons of oil charts, and I will use this one. We have some kind of $20 plus right now, and I'm expecting that in April we will go down to like $10 for a short period of time, and we will get a flat between $10 and $25 for maybe 2 or 3 months. After that, the coronavirus stops spreading, or we will find a vaccine or something like this. Doesn't matter, and the Saudi Arabia will discuss with Russia something. It doesn't matter too, and the oil price will go up, and the oil companies like Total, ExxonMobil, like PetroChina, like Chevron Corporation will go up, and I think we are just waiting the lower prices for that companies. Now they're trading on P2E rate 10. I think we will see better prices, and you can just buy it and hold it for 1 to maybe 5 years. You will get some kind of dividends, and actually you will make X2 or X3 easily. If that video was helpful, please push like button and subscribe button. I'm really trying to make good researchers, and I think this is one of them, and you will definitely make money if you just do that without some leverages. Just buy and hold it for 5 years. XOM, PTR, CVX, TOT, and BP. And don't buy Russian stocks like Lukoil, because they are extremely dangerous, and we have lots of problems in Russia. See you later, bye bye.